Candida here, and I got tired of dealing with messy and damp cabinets. I was always worried if there was a leak, what was going to happen to our cabinets. So I bought the Gorilla Grip Quick Dry Waterproof Under Sink Matte Liner, and this is a solution to keeping my cabinets dry and clean. Now, what I like about the matte liner is it's designed to withstand moisture and protect the cabinets from leaks and spills. The matte liner itself features a slip-resistant surface. Installation is a breeze. The non-adhesive liner can easily be cut to fit the specific cabinet size that you have. So it provides a custom fit for any space. All I've got to do is simply cut it and put it underneath the cabinets, and we're going to be ready to go. Cleaning is also hassle-free. The liner itself is machine washable, making it easy to maintain. And just like that, I was able to lay the mat, cut out the little grooves that I needed, and it installed super easy. So install is easy, it's machine washable. My cabinets are protected, so that's a win. I hope you found the review helpful.